Germany has decided to supply two more rocket launchers to Ukraine. German Defense Ministry has said that two Mars 2 multiple rocket launchers will be provided to Ukraine along with 200 rockets so that Ukraine can fight the war in a better fashion. Ever since Kharkiv and Kherson has been recaptured in a new strategy applied by Ukrainian troops, by the Ukrainian Defense Ministry. The requirement for new aged weaponries and artilleries have increased. Some areas of Kherson have been recaptured while many are left to be taken back by Ukraine. Though Kharkiv is on a winning spree right now and many places have been recaptured, it's not the same in Kherson where many more places have been left to be recaptured, and President Zelensky had requested the Western countries to give Ukraine some more advanced rocket systems and weaponries to fight this war. And USA has also given an aid, a military aid. Germany has also decided to supply more rocket launchers to help Ukraine. Stay updated with me.